Hey guys, today May 11th lead coding challenge. The question is maximum points you can obtain from cards. Okay, the question is like this. There are several cards arranged in a row and each card has an associated number of points. The points are given in integer array, card points. In one step you can take one end from the beginning or from end of the row. You have to take exactly k cards. Your sum is the sum of, your score is the sum of cards of the points of the cards you have taken. Given the integer array card points and integer k, return the maximum score you can obtain. The question is simple. You have to pick k number of cards from this card points array, and we have to pick either from the front or back, so the points should be maximum. So what he did, the first after the first step, your score will always be 1 because the first card and last card is 1, so the score will be 1. However, choosing the rightmost card first will maximize your total score. The optimal strategy is to take the 3 cards on the right. Okay, so you will take 1 in the first place, next you will take 6 here, next 5, so it will make the score 12. So here all the cards are same, so if k equal to 2, score is 4. So here it is 55. I have to take all the cards. Okay, k equal to 7, that is the length of the list, so it will be 55 only. So k equal to 1, first and last cards is same, so it will be 1 only. So here it is 202, k equal to 3, so he might take this card first. Oh no, that is this card first, next this, after that this, so it will make it 202. So let us see the hints also. Let the sum of all points be total points. You need to remove a subarray from card points with the length n minus k. That's exactly what I have did. Keep a window of size n minus k over the array. The answer is maximum of answer, total points minus sum of current window. So what he is saying is we have to pick k cards from either of the sides. So we have to eliminate a subarray that is intact, right? So what we did here, we have eliminated this subarray of length n minus k, which is here n is equal to 7, k equal to 3. So n minus k is 4. So length of subarray is 4. I have eliminated this, and the card points score is 12. If I have eliminated this, the score will be 6 plus 1 plus 1, that will be 8. So if I have eliminated this, the score will be 2 plus 1 plus 1, 4. So if I have eliminated this, the score will be 3 plus 2 plus 1, 6. Out of all the scores we have got, the maximum score is 12. So that's what they have outputted. So that is what we are going to do. So we have to apply that condition everywhere. So let me explain the code itself. If k is equal to 1, I have to return maximum of the first and last of the card points array. That is a corner test case. If k equal to length of card points, I am returning the sum. So what I have did, n is equal to length of card points, total equal to sum of card points, answer equal to sum of card points, of n minus k. So this is nothing but I have took the sliding window. I am taking the sliding window. Initially, what I have did is n minus k 4 element. One second. Sorry, this is not answer. Let us say this is temp. Like okay, one thing you have to remember, the answer is not answer. Answer is equal to sum of sliding window. So when I am writing the code, I have written the answer as answer like that. So you might get confused, but don't get confused. Here ANS is the sum of sliding window. So the sliding window is n minus k elements initially. So this is the answer initially. So the result RAS is what we are outputting. That is nothing but total minus this answer. So total will be whole array sum minus the answer, which is this part. Okay, that gives us the result. Okay, so after that, while I is less than k, so what we are doing 3 times, right? So this is one option, another option, another option, next another option, next another option. So 4 times I am moving. Initially we have taken this, so to counterfeit all the next 3, I am taking I less than k. So what I am doing, this is very simple algorithm. I didn't use an array to store the answer and resultant, the sum of sliding window and the resultant. What I simply did is I negate the first element from the answers, that is cards of I. So to go from here to here, what I did, I eliminated 1 and added 5. So that's what I did. Cards point of I, that is the I equal to 0. So whenever we're going front, I am incrementing I equal to I plus 1. So I am eliminating the first element, I am adding the last element. So when I is less than k, that is we have to ensure that we don't the limit is like this only. So while I is less than k, I am incrementing, and the result will be maximum of this result initial value and total minus answer. I am checking this condition every time, which is this condition every time. So that's what I have did, and it worked. Let me show you. Yeah, thank you. Let us meet again.